विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमचं या नवीन यूट्यूब चॅनलला जित मॅथ हब्सला स्वागत आहे. आजपासून आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी मॅथ्स वनचे टॉपिक्स आणि मॅथ्स टूचे टॉपिक्स कवर करणार आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण सुरुवातीलाच मॅथ्स 1 चॅप्टर 1 लिनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 व्हेरिएबल्सचे जे प्रॉब्लेम सेट आहेत तिथून आपण डायरेक्ट सुरुवात करणार आहोत, कारण की तुमचं ऑलरेडी लिनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 व्हेरिएबल्सची डिस्क्रिप्शन मी ऑलरेडी मागच्या वर्षाच्या एका व्हिडिओमध्ये टाकलेला आहे. त्याच्यातून तुम्ही तो पाहू शकता. इथून डायरेक्ट आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 मधून सुरू करू. याच्यातली जी पहिली मेथड आहे ती इलिमिनेशन मेथड. तर इलिमिनेशन मेथड्समध्ये नेमकं काय होतं आहे ते आपण अगोदर पहिले समजून घेऊ. एलिमिनेट म्हणजे काढून टाकणे. एलिमिनेट म्हणजे काढून टाकणे मीन्स एखाद्याला काढून टाकणे. मग आता इथे आपण कोणाला काढून टाकणार आहोत, तर इथे आपण काय म्हणतोय की लिनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 व्हेरिएबल्स मीन्स व्हेरिएबल. मग आता जे आपल्याकडे 2 व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत इक्वेशन्समध्ये त्याच्यातला व्हेरिएबल्स काय करणार आहेत आपण काढून टाकणार आहे. दॅट इज वी हॅव टू इलिमिनेट अ वन व्हेरिएबल फर्स्ट by this method and then we have to calculate the second variable. Okay, now the example काढून टाकायचं म्हणजे नेमका कसं how we have to eliminate it. That is there is a process to solve the equation. So we have to take the first example, that is in your books 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. And second equation is 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Now this is also called the simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous means at a time, means we solve these two equations at a time and we get a solution. We get the values of x and y. These are the variables here. So this equation is called the linear equation in 2 variable, and the values of x and y, these are the solutions. And why we have to called it is a solution? Because these values satisfied both the equations. How we have to satisfy it? Then we have to see at the last. So to solve this equation, so we have to write here how we have to write the answer of this equation. That is, first we write given equations are. So this is 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. We give this equation is first, and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. This is we have to given the number 2. Now if we observe these two equations, equation first and equation second, we see that here is plus 3y and here is minus 3y. So variables, the coefficient of y is same as here, that is 3, and here is plus and here is minus. So if we add this, then these two are get cancelled. So this is called the elimination. So we write here by elimination method, we simple write add equation 1 and 2. We get, why we add it? Because here the coefficient of y is 3 and here is plus, and coefficient of y is 3 and here is minus. If we add these, their signs are opposite. If we add this, then these are get cancelled. Means plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So 0 into y, something into 0 is already 0. So this y's get cancelled here. So what is it? 5x plus 3y is equals to 9, and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. If we add it, then we get, what we get? 5x plus 2x means x are common. 5 plus 2, 7x plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled, that is 0. And 9 plus 12 is 21. So what we get? 7x is equals to 21. This is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, now we convert the linear equation in 2 variable into linear equation in one variable. It is a linear equation in one variable, that is x. Okay, means here in this equation y is not here. So this is called the elimination method. Understand? Okay. Now 7x is equals to 21. So we write x is equals to 21. 7 is multiply here. It goes to divides. So 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. So we get x is equals to 3. Means we get a value of one variable. One variable value x is equals to 3. If we put these values x is equals to 3 in any one of them, then we get the value of y. So what is it? Put value of x is equals to 3 in equation first. We get, you can put in equation 2, then same value we have to give, but we have to put in first equation. So what is it? 5 into x. So 5 into x is the value of x, we get a 3. So it is, we put here 3 plus 3 into 1 is equals to 9. So what is it? 3 5s are 15 plus 3y is equals to 9. So it is also a linear equation, that is 3y is equals to 9. This is plus here, it goes to minus. So it is minus 15. Therefore 3y is equals to minus 15 plus 9, means bigger is 15. So we subtract 15 from 9, then we get 6, and this is the bigger number is 15, so it is minus. So it is minus 6. Therefore y is equals to minus 6 upon 3, and therefore 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and therefore y is equals to this minus 2. So we get the value of y is equals to minus 2. So we solve it and we get the values of x and y. Therefore we write here the solution of given equation is x comma y is equals to 3 comma minus 2, and this is the solution of given equation. Okay, this is the solution of given equation. Now we verify it, is this solution is correct or not. So for verification we put x and y in equation first. So equation first, so what is equation first? LHS, equation first LHS is equals to 5x plus 3y, 5x plus 3y. So that is equals to 5 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2. So what is it? 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 15 minus 6 is equals to 9, and that is equals to RHS. Similarly, equation second LHS. What is equation second LHS? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. That is 2 into what is value of x? 3 minus 3 into what is value of y? Minus 2. So what is it? 3 2s are 6 minus into 3 2s are minus 6. So it is 6 minus minus plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, and that is equals to RHS. So we get the LHS is equals to RHS in equation first also, and in equation second LHS is equals to RHS. Means both the equation can be satisfied by these values of x and y, that is minus 3 and 2. So we have to say that this is the solution of given equation, and it is the process to solve the equation, and it is called the linear solution of simultaneous linear equation by elimination method. Why it is called eliminate? Because here we eliminate first y here. Instead of y, we can also eliminate x. So how it is? Anyone can, you have to eliminate. Okay. Now here we have to eliminate the y because it is simplified. So we have to use the simple method to solve the equations. Okay. So understand it. I think it to be understand you. You have to take a screenshot. You have to take a screenshot, and we go to the second equation. So student, this is the first example of practice set 1.1. If you like it, if you understand it, then like the video and share it and comment me what is, how you have to get the videos. Okay, and if the video is very good and you understand it, then please tell me what is the next topic I have to take for you. Thank you, student.